Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to add, edit, and manage your customer list in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your customer information organized is key to running your business smoothly. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your login details, and make sure you're selecting QuickBooks Online so you land on the correct platform. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and look for the Settings gear icon. From there, choose Import Data. This feature helps you avoid manual entry by uploading customer information directly. Next, select Customers as the record type you want to import. This begins the process of bringing your external customer data into QuickBooks. Before uploading, prepare a CSV file with your customer information. Make sure the data is formatted correctly in your spreadsheet so the system can read it without errors. During the upload, you'll need to map the columns in your CSV file to QuickBooks fields like customer name, email, and phone number. Take your time here to ensure everything lines up accurately. Finally, click Import. QuickBooks will process your file, and your updated customer list will be ready for you to use right away. And that's it. Your customers are now organized in QuickBooks Online, making it easier to manage relationships and keep your records up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.